So we got the CForce 1000, the KFI plow. It's been working really great. I think this is the 4-foot wide one, so it's just a little wider than the tires. And I'm gonna angle this. I'll be able to get this sidewalk, like full size sidewalks, and we're gonna do this driveway right here. Got 3 inches, a little less than 3 inches, like really powdery snow. And the roads are disgustingly salty as always. So I'll angle this all the way to the one side, and I'll be able to get right down the sidewalk. I'm gonna try a few different angles. Maybe put the GoPro here. That's like right on the plow. There's a magnet on this thing, so. It should look kind of cool, and we'll try that out. Okay, that angle's a little weird. It's kind of cool, but you got like FPV, that shot there. But when the plow's angled, it kind of looks weird. So I'm gonna put the GoPro right on this thing here. So I'm just gonna start on the right side and just go from right to left. Usually it's tough when you have a driveway like this with a garage and nowhere to really turn around. So they kind of shoveled right here, which kind of helped me out. That was good. I'm just going right here. For the rest of it, I'm gonna put the GoPro over here and you're gonna be able to check it out from that angle. pretty much that's how it goes. Pretty nice. The winch on this thing is working really well, knock on wood. So I'll just clean all this up with a shovel, give a little bit here, and yeah, this thing is kicking ass. Got the KFI plow strap. It's working really well. Got the box on this with the overland, some salt in here, strap some shovels to the front. It's a pretty good system. I guess I'll get a time lapse of me doing this here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It took me about a half hour by myself. It's sunny today, so this should all melt pretty good, and if it refreezes, I'll just come back and put some salt down. Like, yeah, it's already melting here. And ideally, like, I wouldn't have to go over this with the shovel to get this, like, you know, the stuff the plow doesn't get. But I have these shoes here, just like raised enough where, you know, the blade hits, but it's not scraping like 100%. So you could adjust that. You just change the washers and stuff. But yeah. On to the next one.